journey, the journey, the journey, the journey, the journey.
Make sure baby be ha the journey. So me that say sabri be oje Britna say na ye twetwe nkomo. Enne nkomo twetwe no ebe strong kokra. Na ansa na ma me fa se da emma aboafo a asomase na watch bi ametimi jimadi April. E time here by Mr. Oti malaria de wajo any time. Onum time arena they give us clean care asiesie fie. Owia eye medima for herbal center see yare ben na e how yare bia what they call doctor time that's why also be show ama bibia aye kama eye Shafal industry sa omode Shafal sanitary pad Shafal's diaper washing powder and afi omo wipes abedwa so Mr. Wokudwa so na say open niema bi ato a na wakai say Shafal industry omo ni nyadua with Adom TV and akame ho na watch bia bitumi de jumadi ebro enne ya betwetwe nkomo na so ansana no said mo ne dada no me da me ho akoje aboafo nkrato me ba ya vetwa so enko bebia
Journey, the journey, journey, the journey.
Ya kwaje enkrato abaha eye the journey wo Adom TV me da se watch bre na what's nati enne me guest no eye Roselyn Akosua Mantey ani na nsemu afie twemu ye hu se abaye bia chese waje gina mu such as say only the obeye makeup for the longest makeup ewo wiase nyina waje na chese eye nika eye ahoho ase oye oba na osan free Ghana beautiful African woman na chese ne menya Roselyn wa ha wode ye ba be fa ne makeup ton no chese je marathon no ne ye ba be gina mu timesro jebre na tnasi na anya hwe no besua bibi ewo mu chese me bia nsa no dwuma ebetimi edi waduru no eye na chese ebu adwene nti aseso mami akwaba
yeah.
Hey, and the marathon in the name easy.
Easy.
How many ton hours now call you?
Maybe 103 hours, 25 minutes, 33 seconds. 5 days continuous applying makeup.
Not udari. There are things I want to know. No udari.
No, it wasn't like properly a jar. You just clean the important place and then you change up to something
just else. The baby I wanna.
Yes, baby I may wanna. Me Legon City more, so I just had a tent a honor me. Then I rushed back because I have few minutes for what do you call it, break.
How many minutes do you have? For
okay, so when you work on a client for 1 hour, you have 5 minutes break. 5 minutes. After 1 hour, we do not 1 hour. We'll break here 5 minutes. Until me accumulate. So I do 4 hours straight.
And do 20 minutes.
And get 20 minutes. And then in that 20 minutes, that's where you would eat.
Sip water, whatever.
Yes.
And see, how many? Nana, we hear 1 hour makeup.
Okay, so almost say you have to work within one. So even if within 1 hour, you're able to do 3 models within 1 hour. On 4 more, they don't mind. But even within 1 hour, na say model only free seats, so you have 10 seconds for the next model to sit.
Wow.
Into say metro when even 25 minutes in that 1 hour now. So we see free me chair and so 10 seconds difference. There should be another model. I'll bet na me.
And yes, sir,
she go.
Wow. And so what inspires you to go on this journey? Because it's easy. But you know, when say like the whole body is working. It didn't inspire you to go on this journey.
Yeah. Oh, say bebre ni dwene say oko university bo degree wo masters a eno na kire say wabobra. But na me nso me pese me kire ewiase anase me kire ebibifo anase me kire young ones and say won san adwuma betumi edwadu pempenso bi. Enti no as me being in the beauty industry a wonim say na obi anko baabi a onfre obi oye stylist say ombra. Enti just for people to know what we have in the beauty industry, for even say for the government to get to know the industry we are growing no omo be fire serious ninti no me say meye mama hu say ensan dwuma wo hoi edeniema pa eneba wo nsan dwuma now say wan ko school no nkire say wo ni bobre ana wo ni bia bi e wo society ni because enne ye ka say unemployment so atia yama unemployment so ayeden ate because so be kra nko school we JSS no person osua etrebo obese ya mu say na crash skills no yen na yechromo it was something I did to influence or not to tell the youth that it doesn't matter your education background and now will level with whatever you do no make sure you get a skill on the side that say baby touch ma obetumi dey and we gina won so
it's no na inspire you to go on that na me wo ham na ba ya Abena yada sisters one day it's like anajo nyina na wo gina mo anajo and rules they are very tight said they even describe the kind of product you have to use enuntia bebre ya omuntimi nya no wo
yes rules yes obusope and now you need special people to be like what timekeeper no should be somebody or yejuma in the sports fraternity or
no the
timekeeping everything until seriously my 10 I didn't get sponsors. I got product sponsors, but I have to pay yourself. I had like 40 people working for me. I have to pay all of them.
So after the success and everything, how was the feeling? Say now when you're sponsor be by and how's the feeling now? Any ambassador deal? What happened? Like after we could see you everywhere, I saw you in BBC and all that.
Yes.
What's happening?
Well, after the event, me receiving my certificate, and people were doubting because of incidents that has happened in this country. So kind of mine wasn't that Bibi and for a but what medicine me crying say I've been able to do something and I've achieved success. Yes, I haven't gotten any brand ambassadorial deal, but I am still in my element training people, training women to become better in the society, especially the single mothers, especially those people who are even in marriage that just to give them the opportunity to say learn something for yourself so that you can improve. So the fact that I'm impacting in the society is enough for me. Through that, if any company see what I'm doing and they want to me to with me, that would be amazing. But yes, through this I've been on BBC and out of the world for them to call you and be like I want to interview you.
Yes.
It's enough. It's enough.
That's a big deal. And then I won't say now, your entrepreneurship way now lashes see lashes makeup right and other things. And also saying
so me lash brand me that's Lash by Rosy Glams. Apart from the Rosy Glam artistry now, makeup hair near the end. Me and also on the side that you produce lashes edema makeup. Artists, one person motor wholesale basis, retail basis, and produce texture to the one that will be really comfortable. Near the I am combining that brand with the makeup, and
then the training as well.
Yes, and the training,
and then you are going to Kumasi
Yes,
too.
I'm going to Kumasi for a training.
Okay. And how much is that? So be person on Faniba, a Caribbean school if you're not per se on Fanibra. What you saying?
Yeah, so me target market and they say ubia betumi aba.
Oh.
And then they say
the
money involved, but the fact that I'm able to impact in somebody, it's enough for me. Enterprise is near moderate. Imagine say ukosua makeup, now ukosua makeup for 5 days.
And now we are
950 cedis.
In 2000.
In 2000.
Yes, products.
Yes, automatically we are teaching for free.
Just to get the product
for you.
Yes.
So that you bibi ewo wonsano. That's all about it. See, we range from 1,000 cedis over 2 weeks be at 2,200 and near my so be 1 month at 3,000.
Now within 5 days no be better my makeup.
Yes, you will be a home for personal use.
Okay, to say
yes, and teaching so you're breaking it down to say what we are slow learner crowd and the makeup is all about getting the basics. So when you get it, then you practice on it.
And because
me started 2017 into my practice here, and then each and every year I upgrade myself with who's okay, I need to get something. So that's how the job is. You learn the basis, and then as time goes on, you upgrade yourself to be better.
Wow. You upgrade yourself to be better. Oba industry, how long? Because I will come to the other side that to me who I was like. So you've been in the makeup industry now. How long now? before having that dream to go for whatever you did?
Yes, so from 2017.
2017. Oh wow! So
yes, so
8 years.
Yes, I've been in from 2017 in Kakra and Nyame adom you do. But we say yeah, mo be say yeah, let be a fully say yeah, we are on our canal doing things to inspire people to impact. That's what we're doing. So, you know, yeah, from 2017 till now, no Nyame ayade.
From 2017 till now, God has been good to us. Nyame wa yade bebre. Ya nane ye ho. Ene ye wedin komo ye ba why.
Journey the journey the journey.
Kwaji Enkwato about Akosua. I heard the journey wa Adum TV and I mean Roselyn or your makeup artist and I yet you more anti short na say na yento aso. Mommy, before I hear kono, na me baby sawa dey na call break. Mentor 7 2013. When I win here. And I hear jina hono. So what happened? What really mentor? Yeah, who she one fan yum bia ma one ye she. Why? Eh
Okay, so let's say it was come back to so 2013. Yes, so I was the first female to win TV3 mentor.
Would it be our first?
First female.
Hey, what you hard drink?
First female in history, like because now a man so first female. Well, after the mentor, I release singles. Not me release by. Oh yeah. Yes, many kumi guitar nyom.
Nyom mami be to be na me share.
What's it?
To na me share.
Okay, so many kumi guitar. Yeah, chisai.
To be na.
Munchin side de odina de munchin side de ben kumujio. Munchin sign munchin sign. Hey, oh, baby, that love you just show me is crazy. I want to open your friend me, honey. Or don't find in some woman. She's enough. She didn't make her laugh. Me didn't announce when they taking me back. Or be on to son, oh, me one in chair, I'm so relaxed.
And other voice and come.
So I released a couple of songs. I did Nyankonton rhythm with Way Your Team. I did some vocals for what Chame Kwame name is V.
And you bang. And you bang.
Small, grow together. So I did all the choruses. Grow together. Like, you know, at a theater studio. And yes, I've done performances with Akosua Japan at the 25th anniversary, you know. May a performance and the 35th anniversary, so I'll be on stage to perform. And then recently, that Lumbadini 60th birthday, me performing, offered me to come and perform on the stage.
Hey,
so I did.
So what are you doing with the voice?
I don't know.
Hey, Mama, watch a more drill. Hey,
and you know, I've been like back and forth, and yes, be a me music, no, but back and forth in Kakra.
Because as a debut, I'm moving and I'm find you who. But more you move from first week, second week, you know. I say, near ding. When you say Timudana,
Debbie, and yes, sir, yeah, you're winning, yeah, the contract at 2 years so. That's the way me can't, a bayan send baby.
Okay,
yeah, my contract near amounts or moon so. Into imagine, so was signing a 1 year contract, as ever more recording deal for a year. We are young recorder. You're promoting your video. What has into at that time, no 1 year that was so be no Baba House or no year Juma. That time, yeah,
expect to say, a bayan so one
yes, into a man, and a better mamma, and I finish him.
No, what trustle,
into what they would trustle now. 1 year now, Uncle be better me invest in your BB a few more.
Send me trust a season
for Fraba. Into no young person or this cabin remove you until
I won't care.
Into Debbie, or be better say be yes, into Saturday way a back and forth. I said to talk about it. It's been 11 years and into no after 1 year 9 year and a note maybe cry mini ebusuani bia wa cry into say me maba na me be survive na dia obey am 1 year mamia mean to me I mean, Nisa to me, yes, because what used to be the idea,
Unni obinti obaye to get someone to get the help.
Into some abandonment with them, expect this mom with them buy mom be releasing my mom woman, me need to me no.
And some money in our contracts now was
contract in them embassy a best sign, you be record, you be video, I be promote to into no nanke be say and never can be mammy way not a be a 1 year ni chimo be swat was, but I'm bano. Or I'm for my bank cry, I can't. I have to find a way to survive. But mean to me, into no, what can I would DH when we bounce when months be brave. So I just let it go and I'm the questions and Juma.
I know, not so signed my baby. A real funny but a bum, I hear no feel real for bang. What for him?
Me papa ye crap him ni. Me ma me ye fantini.
Ye fantini.
Yes.
And what's not fantan out na crap.
Metina Cape Coast. Metina crap him kakra betina Cape Coast. Intino. Aha. Inti me ba penny.
Oh, okay.
Intino. Aha.
Oh, and then the hustle is real.
Yes, it's so real. Inti if I don't do things to make the family way ya. Ebe ha me. Intina every day I am switching things up. Inti me shona music ni me nyeskam de be way ya. Mami ko e bibi foforo. And I'm talented. I think the irade I am no. And the Mesombia, some marathon a man for ye. A big call twice, a big call, but makes Casame, no. Nyame Nsabemu, and look at it. People are not even expecting. I didn't get the support like other people got, but Nyame so Emma, Edami dem, me Obia crown for any requirement to mission. I'm a rat, say at least. Edami dem.
Wow, dear.
Sorry, I'm to me share. No, Makasa Nyame.
Why, dear? Ghana is proud of you because any easy. Hey, we now on 9 so no so for no call 24 hours. No, come your mother. No wonder for 5 days. Wow. We are really how was it? No,
me yare me fu be hunu ye.
Ah?
Me fu be hunu me nan nyina ba twetwen ye. Me like edu baby na yes edu baby no
it's our end here no
yes after some can me call more
no
yes na me call 6 days
wow
it's do 5th day no and na me team say omusro say bia na ma fam bia I mean they should end it see what I think end there anajo ho amache be 12 na end day
wow
actually you
wow nyame aya de enkofo bebre e na o story enu nti on say so bia person won su answer no juma and you come on live on TikTok and other things and the way people are share oh they are so proud of you and to you to need that say what you inspire them and then teaching people a skill to also have a living nyame ensure no be obo oni made ya won hwere because they want to have it and die with it they will never teach obi na obi so hu bibi eti nyame ensure pass o ma o sa akoma no from now to the years ahead of you a dear na Ghana expect from you.
It's a for kwan share you once.
No.
I feel we made the marquine last year with the marquine share radensa and or year near Marcus man. I feel we made the share radensa. Said your person book quine it so sometimes pipe say the idea no. Yan and yet rather pet. Into me the marquine share said your person or ye mammy a few win and I emblem by medium me with GD say obey near Marcus.
Amen. Before I obey corner, Mammy meba yibako and mammy. Why? Ning and I actually come when I actually fetch say I don't know say. Oh, okay. Yes, even Bisa say your biggest turn off.
My biggest turn off.
Hey, what turns you off? Your biggest turn off. Areas will be a what the end? What the end, Rose? What turn off your day?
Bebo Johnny Lumbe,
Braga.
Bebo Johnny Lumbe.
Okay, so the other version of the Abena Ghana skate, you know, Bema, yeah.
I go and pretend of. Let me get to know you. Don't tell me things. Yes, let my main who the hour and you will now be catch me. Me,
But that's so bad. That's another message to the girls that wants to be like you.
Yes.
What are you telling them?
They are catcher abaya bia and I say abemu bia and say abrabaya bon a yabotre. Say ne would dear Maya. Watchina, what dear Beba. Dear Majidi says, say, Raddy Pesse with Shirao, Nasan Kawa when Shiranimwa were between train so. Name repum so restaurant will be anywhere will be see a quine. Maubunto William say, what Tiase, Nyabotre, Nabom Paye, Nadini Cre, na baby Awurade de obedu no ode obedu
do bedru Rose ye da sisa wo ba ye me pa cho hu ade we ya na de ne ba wotim.
God bless our homeland Ghana and make our nation great, strong and greener.
We so the soundtrack.
May a soundtrack
so
come
the voice in it da.
Me
The soundtrack. So what's it?
What's it?
That's your flower, the Jenny for ne ubedi ankasa.
Na
the Jenny. Yes, okwa their office for amayen. And then the hampers no see sponsors say, yeah, for money catch say yeah that see and we appreciate and we are so proud of you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you so much for having me here. And as sponsors no so me pacho bebre emra because Jen bebre emra because the aye no ye the tretre amanfo say emrepa e wo yenim enti no yes sponsors bebre mumra.
Yeah, that was it. Thank you so much. So bye. Wow, if you meet us, say Sabribia, would you Brits Nasi? Now we heard the Jenny TV show, and your mark at the Jenny anyhow. I said that can see and come ya boafo. So now what you be a Mugusu cramimu. Now me did you mediate Ebrem. I feel I don't TV yet Tamasi. Some will cry your money at me did you mediate by your more. Can the Jenny ain't me and Drew baby a dream. I feel no entertainment. Enemy crew, you know, Yami and Shamunina. Thank you so much. Wow. Wofi enye mo besha enkadwuma de yentimi nyo ye da se mo feedback nyina ena me a me di dwuma de me di Abena Ghana abunofo egode brekum de hye asemba ko ena de bia me ka twa me si nyame wo ma ebeyeye makraw
The journey